In addition, 6 number question is what is critical angle and when is it formed? The critical angle is defined as the angle of incidence that provides an angle of refraction of 90 degree. You can see in figure that incident angle is PU is go through from denser medium to rarer medium. The reflected ray is OP prime. After that, if we extend the angle of incidence is more than the PU n prime, that means QO n prime, at that time reflected ray angle is produced as 90 degree. 90 degree. It the reflected ray is produced 90 degree. Which angle it provides is that angle is called critical angle. That means QO n prime. It is treated as theta c. So I think that you are understood what is critical angle and when it is it formed. Number 7 question is what do you mean by total internal reflection? When a light ray is reflected at the boundary surface following the ordinary law of reflection and returns back totally to the denser medium, then it is called total internal reflection. We see in the figure RON prime angle is greater than critical angle QUN prime angle. At that time, the ray is reflected to the same medium, that means in denser medium, as an reflected ray OR prime. This phenomenon is greater than incident angle is greater than critical angle, that is called a total internal reflection. The condition of for total internal reflection is two. One is total internal reflection is only occurs only when the light ray goes from a denser medium to a rarer medium. That means the ray of light must be go through from denser medium to rarer medium. It is the condition for total internal reflection. On the other hand, if light rays goes from rarer medium to the denser medium, total internal reflection will not be happen. Second condition is the angle of incidence in the denser medium must be greater than the optical critical angle corresponding to the pair of media chosen. That means RON prime angle is greater than critical angle QO n prime, that means theta c. That is the second condition of total internal reflection. Question number 8 is write down the condition of question number 9 is what do you understand by optical fiber and magnifying glass? We know various types of fiber like jute fiber, acrylic fiber, but optical fiber is a kind of fiber which is used in various ways in our life, like in internet used a lot, and it is used in the uh, profession of doctors, like uh, to test endoscopy in our body. Optical fiber used in available in various ways used in daily life. Optical fiber is used in our daily life. It is actually used by the applying the total internal reflection. It is a very thin fiber of glass. It is even thinner than human ear. The refractive index of fiber is 1.7. A smooth layer of glass having refractive index is 1.5 is given on the outer surface of the fiber. We see that in figure, ref- arise incident, it is reflected from this point. It is a denser medium. Outer surface of the fiber is rarer medium. In that case, it is going when it is uh, going going through the fiber with respect to the following total internal reflection by repeated by repeating again and again. For that, we get a signal uh, uh, quickly for in our life, and the uh, reading we will get properly uh, by using the optical fiber in our life. Hope you have understood which lesson discussed today. You by learning books and taking help from my lecture, I think you will be able to make sure answer of those questions which given in Facebook ID. After that, submit your answer by using your notebook khata, and I shall check those answers. Thank you so much to you. Okay.